Dear students, this is problem number 5 under exercise 3.1 9th standard Samachir board. Now add the polynomial and find the degree of the resultant polynomial. In the last video I have explained what is polynomial, and we also defined the degree of polynomial, and we discussed some of the examples of polynomial. Now we discuss how to add two polynomials. Now we are going to add these two polynomial. The first polynomial is of degree 2, the second polynomial is of degree 3. So what you can do is according to degree wise you can rearrange the elements. That is, we have 6x square minus 7x plus 2. You can even write the polynomial in the standard form in the sense that the highest degree first, and then that is the degree should be in the descending order. Now this is first polynomial, and the second polynomial, and the highest degree is 3. So I can write 6x cube. I don't have cubic term in the first polynomial, so I can take 0x cube. And I don't have x square term in the second polynomial, so I can write 0 times x square and minus 7x plus 15. Now like terms only you can add constant you can add, which is 17, and minus 7x we are going to add with, if both are minus means add and put the minus sign. So minus 14x, 6 plus 0 which is 6x square, 0 plus 6x cube which is 6x cube. This is our resultant, plus 17. This is our solution, and the degree is going to be 3 here. Sixth problem under the same exercise 3.1 9th standard state board syllabus. Now we have subtract the second polynomial from the first polynomial and find the degree. First polynomial is this, second polynomial is this. What is given? Subtract the second from the first polynomial. So from means we have to subtract from this first polynomial. So you have to write p of x first. P of x polynomial is 7x square plus 6x minus 1. You have to subtract q from p. So what is q of x? Q of x is 6x. So no x square term, 0x square, 6x here and minus 9. Because you are going to subtract, please change the sign. You have to change the sign. Plus become minus, plus become minus. Actually 0 is neither positive nor negative. Because we are subtracting, I am putting minus sign. Here minus sign, and if I subtract, this minus become plus. That is, you have to change the sign, that's all. And 7 minus 0 is 7x square, plus 6x minus 6x will go, that is 0 here, and minus 1 plus 9 will be 8. So the answer is 7x square plus 8 is the required polynomial whose degree is 2. That is, degree is 2. We have 7th problem under the exercise 3.1 9th standard Samachir board. What should be added to this to get the second polynomial? So don't get confused whether it is addition or subtraction of two polynomials, but let me explain this in a simple way. So let me take the first polynomial as p1 of x, which is 2x cube plus 6x square minus 5x plus 8, and the second polynomial as p2 of x, that is 3x cube minus 2x square plus 6x plus 15. So you may get confused whether we can add or subtract two polynomial. But here look at the question. What should be added to this? I mean, you take the answer as q. What should be added to the first polynomial? That is, we have named the first polynomial as p1. What should be added to p1 to get means the answer is the polynomial p2. We named the polynomial this as P2. What should be added? So that is question mark plus the polynomial 1. We have taken the polynomial as P1 to get. So our answer is this. So Q is nothing but polynomial 2 minus polynomial 1. That is, we have to subtract P1 from P2, not from P1 to P2. So from P2 we should subtract P1. So write the second polynomial first, that is 3x cube minus 2x square plus 6x plus 15, and we have to subtract the polynomial 1, which is 2x cube 6x square minus 5x plus 8. So subtracting, that is 3 minus 2, like power 3 minus 2, which is 1x cube. Now we have minus 2x square and minus, here we have minus. If you want, you can instead of putting minus here, we can put minus here, minus plus minus, that is minus 2 minus 6x square is going to be minus 8x square. 6x plus 5x will be 11x. 15 minus 8, which is going to be 7. This is our solution. So whose degree is 3. I explain 8th problem. What must be subtracted from this polynomial to get the polynomial 2? So first of all, I am naming the given polynomial. Let me name the first polynomial as P1 of x as 2x power 24 plus 4x square minus 3x plus 7, and I am naming the second polynomial as P2 3x cube minus x square plus 2x plus 1. So now the question is, what must be subtracted? What? That is our answer. So what must be subtracted? Subtracted means you have to delete from the first polynomial. So P1. What must be subtracted? That is our solution. Let me naming it as Q. What must be subtracted from which one? Polynomial 1. So P1 minus our answer to get. To get means our answer should be the second polynomial, which is P2. So actually we need Q. So let me take Q outside. P1 minus P2. When P2 comes this side with the negative sign, it comes with negative sign, Q will be, so our answer will be P1 minus P2. That is polynomial 1 minus polynomial 2. So now let us subtract here. P1 is 2x power 24, 4x square minus 3x plus 7. Here we have no x power 24 term in the P2. So 0 x power 24, and we have x cube term, 3x cube term minus x square term plus 2x term plus constant term 1. So now subtracting, we are going to subtract. So change the sign. 2x power 24, 0x power 24. So 2x power 24. Here no x cube term, which is 0. 0 minus 3x cube is minus 3x cube. 4x square plus x square, which is 5x square. X term is minus 3x, here minus 2x, minus 3x minus 2x, which is minus 5x. If both are negative sign, you have to add and put the sign. 7 minus 1, which is 6. This is our required answer. So this is the resultant answer is of degree 24. The degree of the resultant answer is 24. Now we are going to add h of x, which is 7x cube minus 6x plus 1, with f of x, which is 7x square plus 17x minus 9. So we rewrite h of x, g of x here. H of x is 7x cube, no x square term, so 0x square, and x term is 6x and the constant term is 1. Now this is g of x. Now g of x is 7x square, no x cube term here, so 0x cube term, 7x square term plus 17x and minus 9. Now we are going to add these two polynomial. 7 plus 0, which is 7x cube. Only the like terms you can add. X square term here 0 and 7, so 7x cube term. And x term, one with negative and other with a positive. So subtract and put the sign of the highest one, which is 17 minus 6 is 11 with positive sign x. And here if you add these two, I'll get minus 8. This is our resultant polynomial whose degree is 3.